Hello, it's Steve here, and well, today we are going to look into relationships, work relationships, and certainly building connections and setting the foundations for for strength in relationships, both in the team and outside of the team. So if you're a Scrum Master and you're really sort of struggling, well, I've just joined this team, or I'm new into the organization, and I'm just a bit unsure, perhaps a little nervous, a little shy about how to really integrate yourself and build real strength in the team and in the organization. Stay tuned. This will be exactly for you. And even if you're not, even if you've been around for a while and you're maybe struggling with things in terms of that connection element, maybe there's a bit of animosity going on, or perhaps you've got some people in the team that perhaps a couple of things have happened, and it's caused some friction, and you're trying to sort of claw things back, and that really does happen. Sometimes you get people in the team, they start to drift away from you, and you feel perhaps maybe a sense of responsibility that you're trying to sort of work out how can I get them back on side, and build that strength and build that connection again. Um, so I'm going to sort of start by giving you maybe a little bit of reassurance as to um, sometimes people just don't get on, right? We don't get on with everybody. That's just human nature. We don't. We are thrown into places where we don't necessarily have a connection with someone, or um, perhaps maybe it's just not not my they're not my vibe. They're not my people, right? And that can happen a lot in the workplace. We meet all sorts of different people, and sometimes it might not necessarily be anything that they're actually doing. It might just literally be that you don't have um, a warmth with someone, and that's normal, right? It's perfectly normal. Um, and what we've got to realize, and it took me a while to realize, is that that's okay. It's all right. So it's perfectly normal that you're going to have people like that. Um, there is always at least one person in the wider team, the sort of portfolio type team that I just didn't, not that I didn't get on with them. I try to get on with most people. I'm quite a warm and friendly kind of guy, but just didn't, you know, not that it was awkward. Sometimes, if you're jumping on a call and or maybe if when I'm working in person in the office, and you meet them at the in the kitchen or something, and you have to make small talk, and it's not particularly uncomfortable, um, but it's just not, we just get through it, right? And I'm British. We are the kings of and queens of small talk, and it's kind of why football was invented, so that guys had something to talk about. Um, but yeah, so the concept of building relationships sometimes is tricky because we don't always get on with everybody. So what what I've tried to do over as I've matured into the role of coach, and into the as a coach, you're trying to kind of build relationships and connections with everybody. The same goes for being a Scrum Master. Um, and the thing to do is just to accept. I'm not everybody is going to be my type of person. So if you can just get past that, and just realize and appreciate that, then the next thing to do is to say, well, how can I be of service to that person when perhaps I don't have a connection with them? And the first thing to do is to build a connection, just to sort of understand a little bit about where they're coming from. What are the things that are keeping them awake at night, or maybe, causing them challenges, maybe if they're in a leadership role. Um, but fundamentally, it's just trying to break down barriers. Everybody has got their stuff, right? Everybody, nobody is immune to having problems and issues and challenges and things. It could be something at home with the family. It could be something in the workplace that's, maybe they went for promotion and they didn't get promotion, and they're just a little bit angry about it. Um, maybe it's a friend that's not very well. I think people are always dealing with stuff, right? And so that's not to say that you could be an agony aunt, um, and you do want to get deep and be a therapist to them, but it's just to sort of empathize, just to sort of understand that actually sometimes people are going through some stuff, and we need to just be aware of that, wary of that, and empathize a little bit, and then try and break down some sort of uh, barrier there, and just be a bit warm. Say how are things going for you? It's a real trait for English people, generally British people, is to we'll, we'll say how are you, and we don't really want to hear the answer of actually I'm not having a very good day. It's just like whoa, I'm just trying to have small talk here. I don't want I don't want to have this awkward, uncomfortable conversation about like some stuff that I was just saying. How you doing? I'm fine. Is like the general British response. But actually, if you were to just go one step further than that and say, no, how are you really getting on? How is life for you in the team or in the leadership team? What's really happening? And if you then take the role of a listener and just listen to them, hear them out, and you'd be amazed at how people can actually uh, soften. They can, melt away a little bit, and actually the warmth comes, and you can have some deeper conversations with that person. And like I say, you don't need to go really, really deep into their trials and tribulations and their personal lives and all that kind of stuff. But it's just really giving them a sense that you're hearing them, right? That you're really giving them the time and space for them to build that connection with you, and it can do wonders for relationship building. Um, Obviously it's better in that one-to-one situation. So if you can find the time with that, and especially if you're new into the team, it's really helpful. I always say set out 15 minutes every 2 weeks with the team individually. 15 minutes, and it's great. It doesn't have to be 50. It could be 10 minutes if you're in the same location. Grab a quick coffee, go and meet them and just say, hey, have you got time for a quick coffee? Really informal, and it does wonders for that connection. And so over time, people see you as a nice, confidant person, people that they can confide in. And as I say, not to become that shoulder to cry on, although sometimes people do take advantage of that, so be careful. But just to sort of be a person that they can come to, and you'll listen to them and hear them, and in some cases, work with them, try and help solve it. Say, hey, look, um, I see that you're having a couple of challenges. Would you like me to be a sounding board? I can help you maybe come to the best solution for you. And then you can sort of jump into a bit more of a coach and try and work with them. Go and grab a whiteboard and say, right, what sort of outcome are we looking for here? Let's see if we can try and resolve it together. And people feel they feel a sense of relief when they find somebody who wants to work with them and help them, and it's and the trust builds from there. If you can really help them, people have got the answers inside. All you're trying to do is to facilitate the um, the, being able to sort of come to the right resolution, and they build. I mean, that's a huge win for them. You might save them huge amounts of pain and time and problems and that kind of thing. So so really the thing to do, certainly in the early days, is to build those connections. I always say that the the more that you can do at the beginning, the less you will need to do as you go on, and just get into a rhythm and a habit of doing it, and people just know and they have that trust with you. If you if you're joining a team, or if you're in the wider sort of portfolio space, and you're not doing those kind of things, gaps will appear, and it becomes harder to build those connections. Weirdly, the longer you go on with working with people, because they they will set up, and you will as well. You set up this kind of inner understanding of how people work. It's just natural. So what will happen is that the more you work with somebody, the less easy it becomes to work with, to build that connection one to one with them. It's some sort of behavioral science in there, but my experience really tells me that's how it is. So if you're just joining a new team, get in early. Just say, look, I just want to 5-10 minutes with you, just to have a quick chat, and at the end of it, say to them, say, hey, was that really helpful for you? Did you, it was really good to connect. Um, would you be okay if we made this a regular thing? And people are happy to offer 5-10 minutes if it means just taking a break away from their work, but also if they feel that there's a bit of trust there. So really, really simple. Just spend a bit of time with people, and it's amazing how connections can be built and relationships can be strengthened as a result, and you'll go far. All right. Hope you've enjoyed it. Just to reiterate about these kind of things, if this is something that is really helpful for you, if you're getting some value from it, if it's really just helping you sort of frame things in your mind, or validating some thoughts that you've had, do subscribe. I do these quite a lot. I spend a bit of time putting them together, and it's lovely to know that uh, there's some people getting in, actually following it, and if you've got some comments, if you actually tell me your experiences. How has it been for you? Maybe you're struggling with a person where you don't really have a connection with. Put it in the comments, and I'll see what I can do. I'll respond to them, no problem. The other thing, there's some links in there of how to get more involved with some of the work that I do. I do things like high performing team challenges. I'm running what is called the Agile Mastery Club, which is a community for uh, Scrum Masters and Agile coaches to sort of build competency and standards, and actually really learn lots of ideas from each other. It's a small community, but it's growing. So come along, join that. It's absolutely free to join. Engagement is the key, so actually get involved. And the other thing as well is about impact, and it's a big mission of mine, is really to prove your impact, prove your worth. So you can take a very very quick self-assessment to understand the level of impact that you're having with your team, and you'll get some tips and tricks and ways in which you can actually grow and build your impact going forward. So a few things there for you to do, a few actions for you to take, but like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you next time. All right, bye bye.